Pani Popo Samoan Rolls with coconut sauce. For the sweet yeast dough: 3½ cups unbleached all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup granulated sugar, 1/4 cup dry milk powder, 2 1/4 teaspoon instant yeast, 3/4 cup lukewarm water, 2 large eggs, 4 tablespoons butter, softened, 1 1/4 teaspoons salt, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. For the coconut sauce: 2½ cups coconut milk, well shaken, stirred, 1 cup granulated sugar, 3 teaspoons cornstarch, 1/4 teaspoon salt. Directions: mix and knead the dough ingredients together by hand or in a stand mixer. If you're kneading in a stand mixer, it should take 5-7 minutes at second speed, and the dough should barely clean the sides of the bowl, perhaps sticking a bit at the bottom. Place the dough in a lightly greased bowl. Cover the bowl, and allow the dough to rise, at room temperature, until it's nearly doubled in bulk, about 1 hour. Rising may take longer, especially if you've kneaded by hand. Give it enough time to become quite puffy. While the dough is rising, grease a 9 inches by 13 inches pan. Once the dough has completely risen, gently deflate the dough, and transfer it to a lightly greased work surface. Divide it into 12 pieces. Shape each piece into a rough ball by pulling the dough into a very small knot at the bottom, then rolling it under the palm of your hand into a smooth ball. Place the rolls in the pan, spacing them evenly. They won't touch one another. Cover lightly with plastic wrap and set aside to rise, about 45-60 minutes. About halfway through the rise, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. During the last 20 minutes of rising, prepare the coconut sauce. Combine all of the sauce ingredients in a small saucepan over medium-high heat. Cook, stirring constantly, until thickened slightly, about 5-7 minutes. Pour 3/4 of the warm, thick sauce over the risen buns and bake in the preheated oven for 18-25 minutes, until the buns are golden brown on top and the internal temperature registers 190 degrees on an instant read thermometer. While still warm, pour remaining sauce over the steamy rolls, spreading it over the top of each individual bun. You're going to want to eat it hot. But when it's cool you can store it, wrapped airtight, in the refrigerator and gently reheat individual buns in the microwave for 30 seconds on 50% power before serving.